Hello guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of the product Gigiant 50-inch tripod. I got it from Amazon for $11.99, so it is on the cheap side. So hopefully this product actually works and it's not flimsy. I have tried tripods in the past, some that are expensive or trashy and some that are cheap actually gets the job done. So I'm just gonna unbox it and actually see what it is all about. It does state on the box that it comes with a couple of more items other than the tripod itself. It states that it comes with the adjustable smartphone tripod mount. It also states that it comes with the carrying case as well, and it just shows a feature of the three-way pan head with built-in bubble level and also lift up central column and the section legs. Basically so you can rotate it to whatever way you would like it to be, and basically extend it to whatever length you would like it to be as well. So let's get into it. Well, I'm just unboxing it now, and I do see that it does have the tripod mount, which is good. It's already in the bag, so yeah. Shocking. Normally they don't even put it in the bag, they just put it directly in the plastic and they have the bag on the outside, but it looks like they did things a little bit different. I'm not tripping, no worries. As long as the product does it job. Sorry, my mind is somewhere else right about now. So, yep, here's the products. Let's just open this up. Right, I'm about to set everything up just to verify that it is working and nothing is broke. But it looks kind of sturdy so far. So now I'll actually put up the tripod fully just to verify if it's flexible and it gets the job done. From the looks of it, it's kind of somewhat flimsy. But hey, you get what you pay for. I didn't expect it to be like this or whatever. But hey, we shall see. Right? So that's about to start putting it up. Disregard my clothing. Yeah, I am still basically lounging around the house. It's like 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning still. So yeah, just check to verify. Okay, that part is actually stuck, and I have the lock leg open. Okay, let's see if it can work by going up a little bit higher for the 50 inches. Okay, no it doesn't. So yeah, and there's no log or a leg, so you can actually put this up higher. Let me just check to see if this is good. No, that button doesn't work for this. Okay, that button does work. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna have to put this all the way to the right so it can actually extend to the full 50 inches. So yeah, this is how it is looking now. I can say it was pretty easy to put together. I just had to figure out how to actually extend it to 50 inches. They did not include any instructions in the actual box. Well, never mind. Yes, they did. I guess I was really anxious to open up the box. Well, if this is the instructions, it's not really instructions, but yeah. Let me turn it around just to verify on the other side that it is not instructions. It's just basically telling you the features of the actual items. There's no instructions. So yeah. If you end up getting this tripod, just know on the side, you have to twist it all the way to the right, so you will be able to extend the item to the potential 50 inches. So yeah, let me see if my phone can actually be set on this tripod without it collapsing. I'm just gonna use a smaller LG phone. I'm going to use my Samsung phone with my case. In the long run, I'm gonna try with the phone and the case just to verify that it can actually upstand everything. So yeah, let's see if it will actually be able to hold a phone. So yeah, I lowered it down a little bit so I can actually see if I can see. I'm just gonna screw the tripod on here. Wow, on this tripod mount they actually got the actual measurements. I don't know if you guys can see, and they have this thing right here so you can adjust, I guess, your phone. I'm not for sure who have a phone this small these days, so I'm just gonna adjust it all the way to the bottom. I'm just gonna plop it on there and get the show going. Yeah, it actually has to be down a little bit more so it can actually fit my phone. So I really don't know what this is for. When we look at the instructions or whatever, well, the things that they do have, because I've never seen one of these on the tripod. Normally they just have the springy thing, but I'm not for sure what this is on the tripod. Let me just check and see if they have anything on this. Okay, I guess it's an adjustable screw with cell phone mount with an adjustment screw, so you can adjust it to a perfect size according to the size of your smartphone. It says that the cell phone mount has sponge cushion to protect your smartphone from slipping. Very easy mount with your phone. Can fit iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, Samsung S4, and almost all popular phones. I guess this item is a little bit old, because the iPhone 6 been out for a long time. And it's kind of weird because they said it's a sponge on the actual iPhone mount, and it's kind of hard. I'm not for sure if you can actually see it, but it's kind of hard, somewhat hard. It's not really spongy like. I don't know. I guess it's slip resistance, whatever they want to call it. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the mount. And I'm just gonna try a regular phone with it, using just a regular LG phone. Okay. Alright, it does work. Let me see if it will actually move while I have the phone on. Okay. It's not rotating. So I'm gonna try to move this. Okay. Really? A screw just came out. So let's just see where the screw belongs. I don't know where this screw belongs, so yeah, it's kind of weird. This item fell out while I was doing the actual product review, so yeah, you guys know how it is now. It's not fake or whatever. Okay, I'm about to take this thing apart and probably order something else, because yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm not for sure when I'm gonna actually take it back. I'm just gonna tell them, hey, it's a no-go. So yeah, hopefully everybody enjoyed this product review, and if you're interested in getting a Vigiant tripod, I'm not for sure if it's gonna be the best thing to actually do, because it's already falling apart. But yeah, I'm going to see where this screw goes, and yeah, get back to you guys later. Hopefully everybody's going to have a good day today and is safe and sound somewhere they need to be. Be safe. Take care, you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So when I was releasing the leg locks of this tripod, everything basically fell apart. Crazy, right? And I was just making a video, so yeah, I'm a little bit confused. So good first impressions of the actual company Vigiant. So yeah, when I was putting it back up, the lever thing fell off with the actual mount on it. So yeah, okay, yeah, everything just coming apart. Go ahead. So yeah, I'm assuming, I'm not for sure what the heck's going on, but yeah, trying to put this back on. It seems like it's really raggedy right about now. I don't know what the heck's going on with this. So yeah, I'm assuming that this option is supposed to go, is holding something up. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put it back together and put it back in the box, so hopefully I can return it. Kiana, I would like my tripod back, because this is not gonna work. So yeah, caught on camera, items just falling apart. I know it will be an easy fix. I just put this item back in, probably goes right here. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to put this item somewhere in between, like that, I guess. But yeah, it's not somewhat embarrassing, whatever, on the actual unboxing, but yeah, it's their product. I guess I would just have to take it back. I'm not for sure what the heck's going on, but yeah, I'm assuming it is an old product that Amazon is selling, because they said this item was out, basically was out when they were saying it adjusts to iPhone 6, and everybody know iPhone 6 been out a long time ago. Not that long, but it's been a while. So yeah, yeah, I never really knew a tripod to actually do this the first time around. So yeah, yeah. I just wanted to say that right when I was trying to put it back in the box and everything, it just fell apart. So basically, it fell apart some more. So yeah, okay. Good job, Dijon.